This is an interesting problem. 3 power 2x equal to 27 power x minus 1. So what will be the value of x? 3 power 2x equal to 3 power 3, which is equal to 27, x minus 1. 3 power 2x equal to 3 power 3 x minus 3. Okay, 2x equal to 3x minus, it is 3, sorry, this is 3, so 2x minus 3x equal to minus 3. So minus 1 will be equal to minus 1x equal to minus 3. Minus with minus cancel out it, so x equal to 3. The right answer is 3. So check for this, is it true or wrong. So I put the value of x equal to 3 power 2 into x equal to 3, so I will put here is 3 and 27 power 3 minus 1. Okay, so 3 power 6 equal to 27 power 2. So 3 power 6 is equal to 27, 729, which is equal to 27 power 2 equal to 729. This is right. This both sides are same. It means that our answer is okay. X equal to 3.